Bromelain enzyme is a substance found in pineapple that contains anti-inflammatory properties that can prevent acne, dermatitis, psoriasis, and eczema. It's a high source of antioxidants. Not only benefits your skin, hair, and health, but also boosts your immunity. Today in this video, I will share how to make DIY pineapple face mask. 1 teaspoon of pineapple powder is known to contain the fruit enzyme bromelain. It is an effective exfoliant that sloughs off dead cells on the surface of the skin while imparting benefits. It can also act as an astringent to use in facial toners. Add 1 teaspoon of honey. Honey draws moisture from the air and binds it to the skin. This added hydration gives the skin a fresh, youthful glow and suppleness, making fine lines and wrinkles less noticeable. Honey also contains natural antioxidants that fight free radicals, one of the leading causes of premature aging. Add some rose water to make a paste. Gently spread the mixture on your face, being careful to avoid the eye area. Leave the mixture on your face for about 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water. It acts as a natural exfoliant, reducing the appearance of blemishes and preventing acne breakouts. Including pineapple in your DIY face masks can rejuvenate your skin by providing a gentle yet effective exfoliation.